Hello, in this quick video, we are going to talk very important DevOps tool. That is Jenkins, which is also one of the leading continuous integration and continuous deployment tool. What is Jenkins? Jenkins is a popular open source automation tool that is used to automate the build, test, and deployment process in DevOps environments. It was created by Kosuke Kawaguchi in 2004, and is now maintained by the Jenkins community. How Jenkins works. Jenkins works by automating the build, test, and deployment process for applications. It integrates with other DevOps tools, such as Git, to automatically trigger builds when code changes are made. Jenkins also provides a web-based interface for managing builds and deployments. Step-by-step guide to use in production. Number 1. Install Jenkins on your server. Number 2. Configure Jenkins to integrate with your other DevOps tools, such as Git. Number 3. Create a new job in Jenkins to automate the build, test, and deployment process. Number 4. Configure the job to run automatically when code changes are made. Number 5. Monitor the job to ensure that builds and deployments are successful. Now, let's understand the use cases of Jenkins. That will help in your interview and day-to-day work. Jenkins is used extensively in DevOps environments for automating the build, test, and deployment process. Best practices for using Jenkins include creating separate jobs for build, test, and deployment, using plugins to extend functionality, and using the Jenkins Pipeline feature to create complex build pipelines. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find it helpful, then don't forget to like this video, and subscribe this channel for more learning resources for free. Also, you can connect with me on Telegram, Instagram for free learning resources.